Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I got this detox weight loss water, then please continue to watch. Okay, I'm going to start off with 2 lemons, 2 limes, and 1 huge cucumber. And I'm going to just start with cutting those up. Now that we have our fruits and our veggie cut up, we can go ahead and start making our water. And if you want to add a lot of fruit and veggies, then you will need to pour just a little bit of it out. But this part is simple, you just put whatever or however much of what in there to your liking. Like if you want your water to be more sour and tangy, then you would put more lemons and limes than you would cucumbers. But if you don't like the sour and tangy taste, then you would put more cucumbers than you would lemons and limes. And I personally don't like the sour taste as much, so I put more cucumbers and limes than lemon and limes, but it's your personal preference. And cucumbers are good sources of potassium, fibers, and vitamin C, which promotes healthy skin. Lemons aids in digestion, which promotes weight loss, and the limes reduces heart diseases, it prevents cancer, and it also helps fight against infections. So that promotes the good detoxing part. And if you are on like a serious weight loss journey or whatnot, you can add, if you want, apple cider vinegar, Lord. Apple cider vinegar, like in the mornings or whenever you have your water. And once you drink, after you finish drinking, the apple cider vinegar water, just refill it with regular water and just continue to refill that same bottle throughout the day. And at the end of the day, dispose of it and start with a fresh bottle the next day. After you're all done, this is what your water should be looking like. Thank you, beauties, for watching. I hope you all enjoy and detox.